OOP with C#. What is OOP? It's an acronym for Object-Oriented Programming. It consists of object, class, and methods. Class is a system that holds variables and methods together. Variable holds the data to be used. Method is a block of code that contains one or more code in C#. It's a C# object that an object or class uses to execute the program. Object, component that store data and the methods that operate on these data. Flexible and expandable, easy to manage and maintain. Codes are in order. Supports teamwork, used by many popular languages, C#, Java, PHP, Python. OOP, Abstraction. In object-oriented programming, abstraction means defining basic tasks to a class or method and not defining details. Basically, it is to make a more general, simple, and abstract definition of the methods to be used in a solution of a problem in the first place. Encapsulation. In object-oriented computer programming languages, the notion of encapsulation or OOP encapsulation refers to the bundling of data along with the methods that operate on that data into a single unit. Many programming languages use encapsulation frequently in the form of classes. A class is a program code template that allows developers to create an object that has both variables and behaviors, functions or methods. A class is an example of encapsulation in computer science in that it consists of data and methods that have been bundled into a single unit. Access modifiers. We have 5 access modifiers in OOP. These are public, private, protected, internal, and protected internal. Inheritance. In object-oriented programming, a class can derive from another class. With this method, the newly derived class inherits the properties of the class from which it is derived. Polymorphism. Usually, polymorphism occurs when there is a class hierarchy and is associated via inheritance from a common base class. Polymorphism means that a member method call will cause a different operation to be performed depending on the type of object calling the method. You can see an example of polymorphism and the presentation.